This is the Walabot Walattach. And this is what it comes with. So we got two rings, and they are magnetic, so they are going to attract to each other. And if you look closely, you can actually see a nice thick double stick adhesive on there, and that is actually 3M VHB, so this is very good stuff. Now if you look at my old Walabot DIY Plus X, you can see it's got this sticky material on here. And I've been using this thing for quite some time, and it actually works perfectly well. I don't have any issues with it. The main reason, in my opinion, that you would want to use this as opposed to this is because if you're going to be working in a dirty environment, this could potentially get messed up by that. This, you're not going to have to worry about that. So out of the two rings, we can see the thicker ring says Walabot on it, so that's going to go on the Walabot, which means the thinner ring is going to go into our phone. And this also does work with other mag-based products. So it's actually kind of a nice way just to upgrade your phone for lots of different things. So it's a good idea when you're going to be doing this to clean off your phone case with some isopropyl alcohol. So we want to give this every chance that we can to stick and stick well. Let's see how much gunk I had on there. And I'm going to start out by attaching the ring to the Walabot. So I want to have, if I can get it, the Walabot logo facing up just to make it look pretty. There we go. And then I'm going to use that to align this ring, because trying to put this on exactly center can be a little bit trickier, but with the Walabot you can kind of just square that up. It's about there. Looks good. Cool. So now, anytime I want to use the Walabot, I can just click that on, and that will hold everything in place. And if I want to use that with a mag base, we are locked on. So pretty cool upgrade. The only thing I got left is I'm curious, will I still be able to use my OtterBox with my clip case? Yep, still works. So that magnet is thin enough that it does not interfere with my case. That's pretty cool.